Hey guys, it's Eldon from AlphaScene, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, and there's going to be a surprise product. And before we get to that, I'm going to introduce you to our guest. Her name is Weck Weck. So yeah, she's going to be watching us do the unboxing. So, again, so she fell, doesn't matter. She just likes to walk around sometimes. So today we're going to be unboxing the Logitech Brio webcam, and we're going to be unboxing the Google Nest, because thankfully my girlfriend is signed up to the YouTube profile, the YouTube Red, and then they sent her a free Google Nest Mini. So thanks Google, sponsorship, nah, just kidding. So yeah, this is gonna be a double unboxing because intentionally at the beginning I wanted to do an unboxing of this and a comparison of the camera. But because we got a surprise product, we're going to be doing two unboxings, and then the next video will be comparing the webcam towards the camera I'm using right now. So let's get into it. Alright, we're going to start off with the Logitech webcam, so let's see what's inside this bad boy. So the reason why I got this webcam is because sometimes I don't want to always come in and do a video in the next room, because this is not my room, this is like the recording room, and I want to make a video very quickly, or you know, talk about something. Let's say like there's a new episode or a new manga chapter, or something new happens, something where you just got to make content quick. So I need the webcam where I can just go and record on my computer in my room and get the content out that quick. So I've never seen an unboxing video on this before in my life. I read reviews on the webcam. It records in 4K compared to the second one, and compared to the last one, sorry. And it can also record in 1080p and 720p, and it's at 30 frame rates per second. And what I noticed straight away from holding it is that this thing is huge. Like, this thing is gigantic. Like, look at my hand, compare it side by side. You can see my hand and this webcam. The webcam is pretty gigantic. I had the last one, the Logitech C920 Pro, and that one was not as big as this one. So this one is heavier, it's bulkier. To be honest, I'm not even sure if it can be mounted on my computer monitor, but we're going to find that out later when I do the comparison video. So that's the webcam. Put that aside. You guys see what it looks like. It looks pretty big. It's from the back. USB-C from the front. Pretty simple. And it has a clip to clap it onto the monitor. So what else is in the box is cables. There we go. Cables inside here. There's a cloth to keep the webcam inside, I think. That's it. And I'm guessing this is for attachment to make the clip smaller, because there's already a clip on there right now. As I said, I'm not exactly sure how it's done. When I do the comparison video with this to the camera, I'll teach you guys how it looks and show you how it looks. So this is probably the thing that goes on the back of your monitor. And that's it for the Logitech unboxing. There's some manuals inside here, but no one really reads that. So yeah, now let's get into the Google Mini unboxing. Alright, Google Nest Mini unboxing time. So this one has the foil. You guys don't want to look at this scramble, do you? So this is very messy what I do. There we go. Typical foil. Look at that sound. ASMR. Get that mic. Alright. So this is a typical slide out box. Two halves like this. And you just slide out. And there we go. So this is supposed to be a speaker. I'm pretty sure it has Amazon Alexa and stuff like that. And you can use Siri with it. Yeah. So it has YouTube Music, Spotify, Google Calendar, Google Duo, Philips Hue. You can connect some lights to it. So you just say, hey Google, and then you say, turn the lights down, turn the lights up. It all works like that. You can go on YouTube with this. If it's connected to your phone wirelessly, you can be like, hey YouTube, play some jazz. You can remind me to pick, you can set reminders like, come pick me up at Friday, 5 p.m. for some cake. Call mom. Or you can say even on Netflix and connect it to that, you can be like, play Stranger Things or play The Witcher, the new show. And it'll just automatically connect to your device and play whatever you asked it to do. So it has a built-in microphone in it. So that's the device itself. It just looks like a small round circle-shaped thing. From the top it feels very meshy. I'd say it feels like a shirt, like cotton. That's what it feels like. From the bottom it's just plastic. It has the one port for electricity where the cable goes in. I'm guessing this is not wireless, I'm not sure. So yeah, there's the mic. You can turn it on or off, just like the silent button on the iPhone. When you put it on silent, it's orange, just like the iPhone. And yeah, that's the device. Let's see what else is inside here. Alright, so there we go. We have a, oh, there we go. So even though my girlfriend has a membership for YouTube Red, and you obviously like Google and stuff is based in the US, and this is a free product, they couldn't have planned it, but they gave us the Australian one, so that's good. That's a positive thing. And then they gave us the cable to plug into the Google Nest Mini. So this is just the electricity cable. And then we have the user manuals and blah blah blah, get started, how to use the device, and all that stuff. So I'm guessing it's pretty self-explanatory. Connected via Bluetooth onto your phone. Don't have my phone here right now, it's charging. So just connect it via Bluetooth onto your phone, and then you speak to it and it will do the things just like I said. Set Google reminders, choose Netflix shows, play music, all that good stuff. So there you go guys, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Here's the webcam, here's the Google Nest Mini, here's Wek. She enjoyed the unboxing, I'm hoping. And yeah, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like. Let me know if you guys want to see anything else in the description down below, and I'll catch you guys next time.